Good decision. Supple +7 +1. Switch your diagonal really slow. You're posting. And slow. Good. Yep, that's okay. Slow. That's a nice canter, though. Super boy. Super, super. Yep, there you go.
It's like, Mom, I want to go.
Yep. Good. Switch your diagonal. Good. And +7 +1. Just slow. Good fellow. Good fellow. It's all right. Good. And slow. Good. Super. Good. And then just come along the rail. Good. +7 +1 because he's getting his nose poked to the outside and he's getting a little unbalanced. It's okay. It's okay. Super. Super fellow. Good. Nice and quiet. Good. Super. Super. It's all right.
We get a little closer every time.
Sometimes we do this with babies. It's no problem. Good. Super.
Perfect. Remember I told you about your bubble? Find your bubble and
Lovely.
don't worry about what he's doing. You worry about your timing.
Yep.
There you
And
go.
just trot. There are no poles there.
What a good boy.
And half hop. Super. Super.
Ooh, look at that.
Super. Super. What a fabulous boy.
Oh,
And walk and throw